Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Availity provider portal step by step. First, if you are a new user, you will need to register for an account. Once registered, simply log in using your secure username and password. The dashboard is your central hub, offering quick access to all essential features. It's designed to be intuitive, helping you find what you need in just a few clicks. Next, let's look at verifying patient eligibility and benefits. You can easily search for a patient by entering their demographic details. The portal will then display comprehensive benefit information, including any deductibles or co-pays. This crucial step helps you confirm coverage for specific services, ensuring smooth operations and clear communication with your patients before any treatment begins. Submitting and tracking claims is straightforward. You can create new professional or institutional claims directly within the portal. Remember to attach any necessary supporting documentation to ensure a complete submission. After submission, you can monitor the status of your claims in real time, giving you immediate updates and reducing follow-up calls. This streamlines your billing process significantly. Finally, let's discuss managing payments and accessing resources. The Availity portal allows you to access electronic remittance advices, or ERA, providing detailed payment information. This makes reconciling payments with your internal billing system much more efficient. Should you need assistance, the extensive resource library offers valuable support and training materials to help you maximize your portal experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.